Okay, guys. Let's go funny. Wait, guys, look. It's a surprise in here. Look, guys. Don't you think it's huge? Wait, there's an ice cream on it. Ice cream, it's my mini. Guys, look at me in here. On the window. Okay, let's go fun.
Oh no! Pizza.
Hey, someone sliced this pizza. Who's that?
Who did it? Wow, so pretty.
Hello. Jec-jec corner. Hi guys, welcome Jec-jec corner. Today we have Shopkins Little Secret.
Little secret?
Yes, you're correct, Daddy. You said little secret. Guys, look.
Ah!
Okay, guys, let's go open it.
Why don't we count how many lockets we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 lockets.
Yeah. Okay, let's go open for Minty Paws. It's ice cream.
It's an ice cream locket.
Which one? Where it is? Where is to open it? Where?
How do you open it?
I don't know.
Shopkins Lil Secret's secret locket. It includes one teeny Shopee and one tiny Shopkin. So I think inside the locket we will find a Shopkin, and here is the teeny Shopee. It's a mini version of the Shopees.
Is the master?
The master. Yes, you can call them the master, but officially they are called Shopees.
Shoppies?
Yes.
I can open it.
It's hard to open.
Yeah, it's hard. Oh, there's a tape. Wait, I did it! I did it! Whoa! Look, a collector's guide.
Here's a guide.
This one is a collector's guide.
What does it say? Oh, maybe those are the characters to collect. And here's the
Look, we got this one.
Which one did we open?
What?
Squirrels.
Why is
Froyo bar.
sound like a squirrel?
The name of the Shopee is Freya Froyo.
What's that name?
Freya Froyo.
Freya?
Can you check? Am I correct? It's a Froyo bar.
Look, guys.
There it is. Whoa! What's inside the locket? There's some Shopkin.
Did you see? Okay, you.
It's a mini Shopkin.
Oh!
It's not a regular size Shopkin. It's very small. But what's inside the locket? What else can you see? This is so cute.
You can put the doll in here.
Is that her house?
Yeah.
Maybe that's her home. So cute.
You can walk her. Look.
Can I see? Whoa, she can sit on the couch. It's a it's a yogurt. Is that a yogurt shop? And you can put her here, and then we'll try to walk her. And then put her here, walk her. There you go. She's walking around.
And look, we need to put a cupcake. Are you sure it's a yogurt? Oh, it's a cupcake.
Well, it says yogurt in the package.
Wait, look, guys.
Hey, what's that?
I don't know. I think that one is a bracelet.
Bracelet?
Or a necklace.
A necklace, maybe?
It's a necklace.
Oh, there's a menu. So this is a shop. We have choco, berry, PB&J, cookie, fruit, and tart. She's got a chair and a couch. She can move around. She can stand here and then move around. And this is the mini Shopee. She can also bend.
What's this? I think that one is a necklace.
And then you can close this up.
It's not fit for me.
Let me see. Maybe we need to adjust it. Are you sure this is a necklace?
Look.
Ah, I know. Yeah, because this is a locket. Yeah, because this is a locket. Yeah, let's put her inside and close it. Put her to sleep. And close. And then here we go. It's a pendant.
Hey, why is it twist? Look.
It's twisting. It's so twisty. It's a pendant. Put it on. There
What?
you go.
Look.
I think it looks cute. Okay, let's open the mini Shopkins.
Oh, so little.
It's so small. What is it? It's a very small.
Teeny tiny.
I think it's a yogurt.
Or it's like a ice cream.
Yes.
It's an ice cream.
It's a frozen yogurt. An ice cream.
Are you sure it's a frozen yogurt ice cream?
Yes, I'm pretty sure it is.
Make sure comments down below.
Yeah, okay. What do you think, guys? What do you think this is? Is it a regular ice cream or a frozen yogurt? Just comment down below. And the name of the Shopee is Freya Froyo. Oh, look! The mini Shopkins is written here. We got frozen Fran banana.
Oh, guys. Now let's go next. Open is spaghetti soup.
Spaghetti soup. That's pizza paradise. You can get tiny Tommy, mini mushy, or cheese grater Gabriella.
How about the back?
Which one will we get? I wonder. Necklace. Whoa. Careful. We might lose the mini Shopkins. What's inside? Can I see Spaghetti Sue's house?
Wait, a pizza! Look, guys, a pizza.
Can I see? Whoa. The pizza.
Hey, someone sliced this pizza. Who's that?
Who did it? Who sliced the pizza?
I don't know. Guys, make sure comments down below. Who's that sliced that pizza? Whoa. Where's it go?
And the mini Shopkins that we got is
Look at this one.
Mushy. I think it's, what's her name again? Mini Mushy.
Mini mushy.
Yeah.
Look at this one. Look.
They're eating pizza. Hi guys. Oh, there's an oven.
Oven?
Yes, there's the pizza oven over here. And here's your tools, kitchen tools to make a pizza.
Who's that?
Hey, come join the party, banana. The name of the Shopkins that we got is Cheese Grater Gabriella. It's a cheese grater.
Wait, she need go here too.
Cheese Grater Gabriella. Come, join the party. Join the party, guys.
I want to go in here. Cheese grater?
The name is too long. Cheese Grater Gabriella. Is that her bed? Her bed is made of pizza?
It's not her bed, look. It's too long. Why is make a bed with the pizza?
The bed is too short. What else does it have? It has a stand too, but she can't move around. Oh, is that a chair?
In here?
Yeah, what's that for?
Nope.
No.
It's not a chair.
Maybe she can stand over there.
Are you sure she can stand?
Does it fit?
Nope.
No. I wonder what's that
Joking me.
for.
It's a table, guys. Look, real good. This one next. We got the singing song.
It's purplish. Tiny Tunes Music. And the name of the Shopee is Melodine. Melodine. Yeah. And I wonder which one will we get. See, is it Spencer speaker or Mickey microphone or headphones loan? This one is Melodine. Hi, Melodine.
Wow!
Why? Does it look cute?
Look, she can walk.
She can walk too. It looks like a musical note. Cool, with wings. Oh, what's this sound? There's a jingling sound.
Jingling sound. This one. Is that the clock? Ding dong.
It's a clock. It's a musical studio. I think it's a studio.
Studio?
Yeah.
Look, she can walk.
She can walk around too.
Guys, did you hear something?
And here's our Shopkin friend. What do we have? It's headphones loan.
Where's her face?
I think she's wearing sunglasses.
Look, she said awesome. Why she said awesome?
Hey, where's her face? There you go. Headphones loan. She's so small.
There we go.
There we go.
She's listening to music.
Yeah, she's listening to some music.
What she said?
I wonder what's the song.
She said awesome brother. I don't know. Shopkins. Shopkins don't go by. There are things. There are characters things. Shopkins.
Oh, you can open the oven. I didn't know that. What's inside? Pizza. More pizza.
Look, there's a window.
There's a window. No, that's the inside of the oven.
There we go. Now next is this one. Look.
What's that? Colored pink. Is that Petite Boutique? The name of the Shopee is Bella Bow.
Bella Bow.
Bella Bow. And we can get Ronda Ruffle shorts, or Cutie clutch, or Fluffy Buffy sneaker.
Look.
Bella.
Don't you think she's so cute?
She is. She's got blue hair and
Look.
pink dress and pink socks. Pink shoes.
Ay! What's that in here? Is that?
Yeah, I wonder which one.
I see the eyes, guys. Look. Hey. Wow! That's so beautiful. Look, guys.
What?
Ay.
Oh no!
Oh no.
It's broken.
It's beautiful, Daddy. What? It's empty. Look.
There's nothing. Oh, there's a mirror.
Where?
You see yourself?
I got a big mouth.
So cute. Do you think she's pretty?
She's pretty. Now let's open that.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all?
Look.
And who did we get? Is that a purse? It is a purse. Her name is Cutie Clutch.
Cutie clutch.
Cutie
Cutie clutch.
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 Wow, so pretty.
Look.
Does she move? Can she move around or no? No. What about the closet? I think it can open. No? Oh, there you go. What's inside?
Is nothing.
Nothing's inside. Yeah, it's a Cutie Clutch.
It's buy some bag for
Yes.
her.
It's her bag. Okay, we put it here. Bella Bow. Hello, neighbor. Then we open the next one.
Heart.
Heart-shaped locket. Okay, the one that says I love you.
I love you. You love me.
I think it's Picnic Dreams with Valentina hearts. There we go. It says I love you.
Wow! Look at this.
Oh,
Wow.
are those lanterns? There's a lot of lanterns. And there's music inside, musical notes, and oh, it spins. It spins.
Wow.
Spins. Maybe she can dance.
Wait, look.
Oh, it's like a curtain. What's
It's a talent show.
It's a talent show.
I think whose name? I don't know who's. So hard.
Yes, it's a bouquet of roses. And her name is...
The kiosk.
No. Her name is Rosie Bouquet. Rosie. Hey, what are they doing?
They're watching.
What are those white ones? Are those pillows or rocks?
They're pillows.
Little Giggles Baby Boutique. It's babies.
Babies.
And the name of the Shopee is Mia Milk.
Mia Milk?
Yeah. Baby pin, onesie, or Milky Mel.
Look.
There's a chair. Does it move? I think the chair can move.
You can move.
Oh, it's a rocking chair.
Hey.
Rocking chair. The Shopkin is the onesie. Ollie onesie. And her home is like a nursing home. What's inside? Pictures.
In here.
How about this one? Just a painting. Baby painting. Baby toys. There's pins. A bed. And a rocking chair.
Help me rocking chair. Next, now this one. It's a royal ball. It's a royal.
Little Gems Jewelry. And the Shopee's name is Tiara Sparkles. Tiara Sparkles. What looks inside?
Wow! Look!
Whoa, another mirror.
Because for her, just.
Another pretty Shopkin. Well, they're all pretty.
Look, she can walk.
And that's a diamond stand.
Diamonds.
And the Shopkins. Oh, is this a perfume bottle? So cute.
What a perfume bottle.
We got... Oh no, it's an earring. Erin earring.
In here, what's inside?
Is there something inside?
Oh
There's
no.
nothing inside.
Yes, it is. Look.
What?
It's a ring.
There's a ring inside?
Yeah, look.
Where?
In here.
Tiny ring. I see it. It's a tiny ring.
There we go.
We're down to 2
Okay, this
secret
one
lockets.
is a strawberry. Is that strawberry kiss?
No,
Mini?
it looks like an apricot. Locally grown farmers market, and that's summer peaches. Oh, it's a peach fruit. Summer peaches. We can get cutie carrot, berry blue, or straw baby. Oh, I wish we get straw baby.
Okay, ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, go. What?
What is that? It's a market. Supposed to be a market, a farmer's market. What does it do? Oh, it's a clock. Tick, 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 tick. What else? Is there a box here? Oh, there's another secret. It's a chair. Oh no, I think it's a fruit stand. I think it's a fruit stand. The Shopkin. Oh no, it's blueberry. It's not strawberry. We got berry blue.
Strawberry is a rare one.
Yes, blueberry. She's a blueberry. Okay, set them up.
Let's put her in the couch. No.
Go.
Put in the back. There we go.
There you go. And the blueberry, berry blue.
There we go. No, it's the last now.
So I guess, well, I'm pretty sure that's
The swim.
Rockpool Swim School. Oh, it's a swimming pool.
Ah!
Yeah, and the name of the Shopee is Coralie.
Corey. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Is it cute? Wow, it's super cute.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. And the Shopkin. Cute. Sunglasses.
Why there's a heart?
Heart sunglasses. Sassy. Sassy sunglasses. Does it move?
Yeah, it's moving.
It's moving too.
Look, she said, hi!
Maybe it's a floater. They're floating on the pool. And that's the slide.
Look, there's a water.
Water. Oh yeah. Water. Ah, the water is coming.
Now we're go put in here. We're all complete, guys. Okay. What is my favorite? My favorite is this one.
The picnic.
Yeah.
Your favorite is Picnic Dreams.
Mine is I got the dream.
And the name of your Shopee is Valentina Hearts.
Valentina heart.
Picnic Dream is Jec-jec's favorite secret locket. What about you guys? Which one is your favorite secret locket?
Mine is this one. Do you want this one or this one or this one or this one or this one? I mean, how would you want this one or this one or this one or this
This one or this one or this one?
or this one? What you want it, guys? Make sure comments down below. Thank you for watching. Like and share my video and subscribe my channel. See you there. Bye bye next time. Bye.
Bye bye. So cute. Ah.
Yeah, we are all in the board. There's a donut swing. That's our dream. What? Wow, that's my dream. It's a donut swing with a dream, guys. Guys, look. It's a donut.
Where's everyone?
I got now. I found everyone. They're looking in the boxes.
Boxes? Whoa!